So ICP has been taking the internet by storm, no pun intended. And it seems to be the one thing that people in the crypto space, everybody's kind of asking questions about it now. They want to get involved in it. And since my last video on this, I have been looking into it a little bit more to try and kind of teach myself some more about it. And one thing that I have learned about it is that I think the ICP community has to be one of the strongest ones that I've seen in the cryptocurrency space, and I absolutely love it. So today's video, I want to go over what else I've learned about ICP and take a look at some numbers. So we shall jump straight to it. So why is ICP suddenly on so many people's radar? So the ICP price has traded below a long-term horizontal resistance area since April of 2022. And whilst it was under this resistance area, it hit two new all-time lows. So the first was in November of 2022 and then again in October of 2023. After this, the ICP price then began an upward movement sparked by a breakout from the downward trend line. The rally accelerated after the breakout, which led to a high of $16.30, which we've seen just on January the 3rd there. It also caused a breakout above an important horizontal resistance area. So when evaluating market conditions, traders use the Relative Strength Index, or RSI line, as a momentum indicator to determine whether the market is overbought or oversold and whether they should accumulate or sell an asset. So the weekly RSI on ICP is increasing and it is above 50. So this is the sign of a bullish trend. So even though the indicator is shown overbought, there is no bearish divergence to warn of any impending decrease on this. So the key reason for the price surge of ICP was this announcement of ICP being integrated with Ethereum. So this was announced back in November of last year. The blockchains will be connected, and because until now the entire project is not yet decentralized, the vision is to replace Amazon Web Services, Google Web Services, etc. So they pretty much want to replace everything on the internet. Now, as Internet Computer is still currently centralized, their vision is for the entire internet to be built on their block. And whilst they have the infrastructure for this, the merge with Ethereum balances the centralization and decentralization of the project. And more specifically, as ICP joins forces with Ethereum, this integration is going to take place in two phases. So the first phase consists of smart contracts, and this will act as a bridge providing a complete Ethereum node API directly on the ICP blockchain thanks to keychain ECDSA signature technology, and every smart contract on Internet Computer will now be able to interact seamlessly with the Ethereum blockchain, and this will eliminate the need for any centralization. So this is one of the main reasons that we saw a surge on the ICP price, and this of course could not happen without the team that is building behind this. So ICP has one of the strongest teams in the crypto space. I believe there's a team of around 270 people from Definity, and they dedicated their bear market to building Internet Computer. And there's now 191 projects that are being built on it. Now that they're balancing the centralization and decentralization of the project, there's going to be a big race between ICP, Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, Avalanche, etc. and all of the other big players on this. So ICP did have a little bit of a hiccup over the weekend where it took a dip, but it bounced back from this very nicely, and the bounce back actually started today. And you can see, if we show it on the 1 day, we can see just kind of how good the bounce back was. So it went back to $10.42, so pretty much $10 it went back to, and we're already back at $13.70. So over the day, we're already up 21%, which is super good. So this does not mean, however, that we are yet in an upward trend. So we would have to clear through, I believe it's $15, for it to be confirmed as an upward trend on this. So over the next few weeks, if we do break this and we continue on the upward trend like we have been, and we have been quite continuously, then our next target is going to be between $18 and $22. I do think that once it gets to around $20, I think it will hit a lot of resistance on that, and it may drop again and we'll retest the support, but this would just be kind of a short-term thing. So will ICP continue to increase in price over the next few days or the next few weeks? I don't know. I don't think anybody really knows that for sure, but what I do know is that it's definitely going to go higher over the coming months as we come into the bull market. So I hope this video helped give you a little bit more of an insight into Internet Computer and what they are looking to achieve. If you'd like more in-depth videos on this, the like button below and let me know in the comments. And until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye.